Alright, so in this lesson we will calculate unknowns using the law of cosines. Law of cosines. So before we do that, let's learn the law of cosines. So, law of cosines. Now we have a triangle. It doesn't have to be a right triangle. All triangles. This works for all triangles. And let's begin with this. Let's say angle A. Angle A, right, goes with side length A. So it's easier just to show you. A squared equals, so I'll circle that too. A squared equals B squared plus, I guess, yeah, I'll do plus C squared minus, maybe I'll do orange. Where's orange? That's what I'll do. Orange. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine, or what, times cosine of angle A. So I guess I can put it like that. Cosine of angle A. Angle A being right there. But we don't just, so basically it's this to the second power equals this and this together to the second power, like this. So let me just say this. This side, A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of A. Now this works the other ways too. B squared will equal A squared plus C squared, because that has to be the other ones, minus 2 A times C, and then times cosine of angle B, the angle B. Remember that this angle, the cosine of whatever angle, will match the side. We'll go with the side. So let's do that. Let's just make sure y'all can see this B. This is angle B. Okay. And let's do C. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. I'll write that a little bit better. Minus 2. Oh, I did this wrong. This should be orange. Sorry, just noticed this. I mean, orange. This should be green. I can't even do my colors. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus, and then pink, and then blue, times cosine of angle C. You're going to use these to find, it's just easier to show you. We're going to use these now. So measure of RT. So RT. So we don't know this one. Okay, so it doesn't matter what we name these, but it's easier if you use the angle that you have. So if we have this angle that's 27, we'll just say this is angle A, and then we'll just call this side A. It's easier. Side A, right? So we will do, and I guess we should do the other ones too, right? No, I'm going to do it like this since I made it pink before. I'll make it pink now. And then I made this one, I believe. It doesn't matter what you name A, B, and C. I don't know. That's how I'll name this one B. Well, just to keep with y'all, I'll name this one B, and this one's C. So we will say that A squared, well actually, that's a lot of color change. I'm just keeping it yellow. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cosine of angle A. Okay, so B was 15. C was, squared. Let's just start this. Okay, so A squared, we don't know A, right? Equals B squared, so 15 squared plus 23 squared minus 2 times B and C, 15 and 23, times cosine of angle A. Angle A was 27 degrees. Now we just do the math. So 15 times 15 is 225 plus 23 times 23. So 23 squared is 529. Okay, let's just do all this. So 30 times 23. 30 times 23 is 690. So minus 690. Because a negative times a positive is negative, and a negative times a positive again is negative. Times cosine of angle 27 degrees. So that was A squared. And let's add these two. 225 plus 529 is 754 minus 690 times cosine of 27 degrees. Remember, we can't subtract these because we'd have to do this multiplication. And you could do this multiplication, like you could estimate, but I want to show you a shorter way of slightly doing it. We're going to have to take the square root to get of this squared, right? So you can just take the square root of all that. So A is approximately, so 754, the square root of 754 minus 690 times, that should be underneath also, right? 690 times cosine of 27 degrees. Do that again. So every time I go away, it moves it. Okay. 27 degrees. And you get approximately 11.7. Well, that would round up. So 11.8. Side lengths are units. Can't even get the units right. All right, so I would do this one, but it's basically the same. All right, so I'm just going to go to the next page.